You are watching this video because you are a content creator, you are a speaker, author, trainer, and specifically you're looking to use YouTube as your medium of influence. That's where you want to build your brand. That's where you want to build your credibility. And if that's who you are, then this video is for you. My name is Srini Saripalli. Chances are you do not know me. If you're a subscriber to this channel, yes, you do. But if this video got referred to you by the YouTube algorithm or somebody sent you this video, the chances are you do not know who I am. So my promise to you is I'm not going to waste your time. I'm not going to, I'll be very precise. And the purpose of this video is essentially trying to figure out, right, me included myself, is can we make it in year 2025? A question that I recently got about 6 months ago was, is it still possible to make it big on YouTube? And if that is so, how come you only have 300 subscribers? Well, it's obvious because I'm not making videos. The last one I posted was about a year ago. And prior to that, the only time I was active was in year 2022. And I've not done a lot on YouTube. So for me to expect that YouTube is going to make me big, will give me the fame and the success and the money, not real, unrealistic. But here is what I found out. I started researching, and what I found out is that you don't need a lot of subscribers to really make it big on YouTube. And in fact, people with 500, 800,000 subscribers are not able to recover their content creation cost, depending upon how many times they're posting on YouTube, maybe twice a week, maybe 3 times a week, whatever that cadence they have got going, they're not able to recover their money. So the question that leads me to the question, is it subscribers or is it views? Of course, views, we know that. But then you can have a lot of views without subscribers, which is where lately what I'm seeing that's happening with the YouTube algorithm. But in my case, I don't have a lot of subscribers and I don't have a lot of views. So that means I need to start posting more often. And I need to build a cadence, and which I plan to do starting now, because I'm not doing service. I'm not, people have subscribed, like 300 people. These people have subscribed to this channel, and I'm not really keeping my promise that I made to them very early on. So I need to serve them, whether I'm good at it or bad at it, for them to decide. And if I'm not doing a good job, they're going to unsubscribe anyway. That's not the point. But the point is, I did not keep my initial commitment to them that, hey, subscribe to the channel. I'll be creating more content. I'll be publishing more content. I made all those promises, which I did not keep. And I'll tell you why I did not keep. And this is what we call the fatigue, as a content creator fatigue. One of the biggest challenges I had back in the day was, I need to buy this camera, I need to create this backdrop, I need to set these lights, I need to look good, I need to make myself presentable on camera. I went through this whole 9 yards and multiple times, and by the time I'm done creating one video, which is about maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes long, I have done a million you knows, I have done a million yeah, you, yo, whatever, different, actually it doesn't matter. If you listen to this recording now, and I'm in maybe 5 or 7 minutes into this recording, it doesn't matter. Nobody cares. You probably didn't care about anything I was saying and how I'm speaking, how many times I missed my thought, whatever. I don't think I missed my thought yet, but I will. This is how it is. So it's about the message. It's not about the presentation. So I have this huge expensive setup with multiple lights and cameras, with all of them feeding into I will put an equipment list later on in one of my videos, but you get the idea. And right now, in this moment, as I'm recording this, I'm under a tree inside my car. I just went to the gym and came out. I'm sweating. None of these things matter. So if you are considering starting a YouTube channel, and you are thinking, what kind of a composition do I need to have with my setup? How do I frame it? What kind of props I need? What kinds of light, camera? No, I'm on my iPhone. Of course, I have a plug-in microphone from Rode. That's all. I'm going to put all this, the list of all the equipment I'm using, which is not a lot, by the way. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max with 1 terabyte of storage on it. I'm directly recording into the camera. There is no additional storage. I just have a plug-in microphone because it sounds good. People listen to your videos or watch your videos because of the sound. And the sound is the basic minimal requirement which plays the maximum role in the overall presentation, which most people miss, by the way. They're going for the optics, but they're missing the sound part. Sound plays a big role. And I come from a radio background. That's why I'm saying that radio played a significant role in my life, and it continues to play a significant role in my life. So about 14, 15 years in broadcasting, and I know the value of sound, and I know the value of voice. So it doesn't matter how you show up. It matters, will you show up? So my idea is that I'm going to be producing more content pretty much on a regular basis, help you as a creator. Um, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether I have. In fact, as I was thinking of creating this video, I thought of kind of turning the lights on. I got this huge key light, and I got this this backdrop, and initially I had a green screen, and then all of that. But what I realized was I record my coaching calls in this car, in the setup. And anytime somebody asks me a question, I record a quick video using this setup this way, and I send it to them, and they tell me it helped them. So if it is helping an individual who has a problem, and how different it is for YouTube, it's the same. Of course, people come here for information. People come here for entertainment and all that. But the real reason why you probably are watching this video until this point is because you are having a problem. You want to create content. You want to produce content. You want to keep up with your commitment, with your channel, and somewhere along the way you are dropping your motivation because you don't know whether you have the right camera, you don't have the right settings, you have the right light, and I went through all that. Of course, we all have challenges, and I'll tell you right now, the amount of focus I have right now recording into my iPhone while I'm inside my car, this is incredible. I cannot create this level of focus if I'm doing this in my room with two cameras, with all the lights, with a perfect backdrop. No. Why? Because there are external distractions that I cannot control. And one of the reasons why I really stopped producing YouTube videos specifically for this channel was because I'm a caregiver. Through my day, I have a 91-year-old dad that I need to be around, and the challenge was that if he speaks and shouts and yells and it all like I have a small little setup there, and it just I lose my trance when I'm recording these videos, and I 20 minutes into the recording, and he's calling me. He's if I don't go, then he's like literally he wants to get my attention and all, and then I have to stop the recording. I have to go there in this setup, literally drive my car, found a tree, awesome shade, turn the camera on, and I'm recording. That's it. In fact, um, uh, I'm going to be done with this recording, but I'll be producing more recordings. But the idea is not that I have to record 10 or 15 different videos at once, but I want to build a behavior. The behavior is I want to create to contribute, okay? And I'm going to share whatever I create so that I serve. So I record every day. Even though I record 10 videos today, tomorrow I will record. Day after I will record. I may not be publishing all the recordings because I want to make sure that whatever I'm creating is going to serve. If not, no purpose. Listen, if you really want to make it in content creation game on YouTube, forget about the algorithm. It doesn't matter. Forget about subscribers. They do matter, yes, but that's not why you are here. You are here because you want to contribute, you want to transform, you want to elevate the lives of people, whoever that is, whoever is watching you. You want to really, they are having trouble, they are having challenges. Your job is to turn their life around. That's the commitment I'm making to myself. In fact, I'm speaking to myself as much as I'm pretending to be speaking, to you, but I'm speaking to myself. So that's the commitment. And of course, I really, uh, it's wonderful to have all these subscribers and all these views, but no, it's the transformation. That's the key. That's the drive. That's the goal. That's the purpose. That's the motive. And everything else is ancillary. If those other things happen, great. They don't happen, it's okay. It's perfectly fine. So this is going to be my new YouTube setup. This is how I'm going to be recording. And I'm telling you one thing. Listen, if you are already in the game, and do it both ways. Do it in a place where you have a perfect setup. Do it in a place where you do not have a perfect setup. It doesn't matter. Okay, both my car and my house, both will work, and do that. And if you are totally new, like literally considering starting YouTube channel, and you are here right now and YouTube algorithm suggested this video, listen, start now. You can still make it, even though the other 95% people are still your competition because you're starting this. Technically there's no competition, but let's say if that's there, those are the numbers you want to you want them in the top 5%. You still have that opportunity. That opportunity exists for each one of us. It doesn't matter what niche you are in, what credentials you have, what skills you have, what talents you have, as long as you have the message in you, and that's all that matters. That's all. And hopefully you it's coming, it's visible to you, or I'm hoping it's audible to you, that I have a message that I desperately want to convey. Okay, so that's the energy I want to leave you with. So stay focused, keep doing what you're doing, and then I'll be here again tomorrow, recording one more video. I don't know when is that tomorrow. Hopefully I will be able to upload this video today on this channel. If not, you know the date. I already said that here. Okay, so that's all for now. I will see you soon. Appreciate you watching this video. Just don't drop that motivation yet. You have a tremendous amount of opportunity on this platform. It's going to take you far. I promise you that. I see it. I know it. I played with it. I'm going to again play with this one more time. So, and many more times. So this is incredible what's happening within the space. And I want you to be part of that. And I want you to excel. I want you to be in the top 1%. That's the goal. That's the idea. Okay. That's all. Bye now.